So are there any special feelings, emotions coming in here and playing the old team?
Yeah, I mean it's gonna be fun. Obviously they're doing really well right now, so we know what's ahead of us. But obviously it's gonna be fun to play some friends and old teammates for sure.
Is it difficult or literally fun? Like, how do you go from being a good teammate of these guys to literally being the enemy?
We'll see. I mean, it's obviously I've been here for 5 years and built a lot of strong relationships. So it's going to be a special night, that's for sure. But now once we get the season going, I mean we're focusing on our things, and we know what's on the other side too.
I was going to say you're largely an unpleasant guy to play against. So do you think that it won't take long before some of the forwards on the Oilers are just about sick and tired of Adam Larsson?
No, they probably come after me too, so that's a two-way street.
Adam, with where this team seems to be going, going back a couple of years and now where they are this year, I'm talking about the Oilers, how hard was it to ultimately make the decision to sign elsewhere?
I mean, yeah, I had a lot to think about. At the end of the day, I felt like I needed change, and I'm happy where I'm at right now. I like the team, I like the city, I like where we're going. So I mean, it's right now it feels good.
How much communication do you have with those guys? I know probably not too much today, but in general, how you've been here for a while, right? So
I got a couple texts already this morning. Yeah. No, I pretty much daily. I mean, I'm happy for him, and I know how hard these guys work. So it's I'm not surprised, and yeah, I'm happy for him.
Lots of texts. You said some good luck ones, or what can you reveal?
Not a lot of those, no.
You said you liked your new surroundings.
Yeah.
Tell me a little bit about Seattle and how things are going there.
Good. We played some great hockey. We haven't got the results we wanted. City is unbelievable. The fans is unbelievable. The arena is as nice as it is here. So we have nothing to complain about. Just have to get a couple of wins string together.
Had you been familiar with Seattle at all before you signed there? Had you visited Seattle before? Or did you know anything about the city before deciding to go there?
No, never.
Okay.
I didn't know too much, but I just heard a lot of great things. So no, we're happy there, and so far it's been really nice.
What's the key to shutting down Connor McDavid?
A lot of people have tried. No, I don't know. I think it's just to make the game hard for him, stay above him, and all those cliches. But I mean, so many guys have tried. You just have to limit the guy. So
you've practiced against him many times. Is there some interest to play against him? It's going to be different. It's not practice, right? It will be kind of. Is there something in playing a game against Connor McDavid for the first time?
Yeah, I mean, I look forward to it. He's the best player in the world, so you want to go up against the best. And the way he's played this year too, I've been watching a couple of games here and there, and he seems to almost have taken another step this year. So it's going to be a fun night.
Your old friend Oscar Klefbom, have you spoken much with him, and how's he doing?
I think he's doing good. I haven't talked to him a whole lot about his long-term plans, but he seems positive, and I don't know. I guess the management will answer how he will do in the end.
Good.
Yeah.
Thanks, Adam. Thanks for your time.